Y'all, it's the cheapest one at the auction. It's pretty bad. It's banged up. Motor's good though. Only got a few thousand miles on it. Yeah. Said to be running. Frame, engine, subframe intact. Front forks are good. Wheels, and just about everything else I've got to replace. So you guys are gonna have a brand new Gsxr. But this is it. We're gonna fully restore this thing and bring it back to life. And then one of you lucky viewers are gonna win it. Right at home. This is what's left. There's still pretty much a whole bike here. So she's straight. Here's the pile of all the stuff. We got the old swing arm, the big up frame sliders, the crummy levers, the broken up a fairing stay, what was left of the light kit that I was on it, rusty chain and the back wheel. So here's all the stuff that is still good that was on it. For this video, we got the bike 90% of the way broken down. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and make sure you tune in for the next video where we're gonna have this thing all cleaned up, start putting it back together.